Cold start, baby. Let's see how it does today after a new battery. Looks a little cold out here. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? All right. Let's see how she sounds. So yesterday, after I jump started it, I let my fiance take it to work, where she parks it to go into New York City, and I went over there and put a new battery in. So last night when she came home, it was safe. Didn't have to get that phone call. Alright, so today it shows 24 degrees. Let's see it. Alright. Not bad. Alright, so I put an Interstate battery in there because it's just as good as a Saab OEM, if not better. 13mm bolts on each side and a 13mm bolt down there that holds it in. Within 5 minutes the battery is changed. Good to go. And I swear, I don't know, the squeak has got to be coming from maybe the air conditioning compressor, because the power steering pump is right here, and it's just maybe from the crank, I don't know. I'm going to check it all out today. I put new pulleys on the back here with the new tensioner, so based on putting the camera right here, it's not coming from there, it's coming from up here. But yeah, anyways, like I said, it runs pretty good. Coolant levels are remaining where they need to be, which means nothing's leaking, knock on wood.